No? Where'd it go? Oh, okay. You go there. Okay, and then... Dad, where are the eye caps? We got a Z, so it's likely this one.
Rosu, so cute. Rosu a heart. Rosu a heart.
Thank you. Thank you. You for me, thank you. This game is a lot scarier, Nate. Do I have to put his body in the gurney before I can put the mark? I just want this over with. I'm not going back in there. No, we're going back in. We're gonna burn his body now. I don't care anymore. Bye, Dominic. You're the best. You're. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, we found a route. I think. I don't like this. Let's go, Greenie. Hurry. I'll push you. Let's go. It's Granny. It's Granny. It's talking. Granny's talking. Okay, nothing. Sorry, I did preemptive screams just in case. But we're good. My tummy hurts. I'm scared. Well, with this, she won't. I was in the middle of work. What's closing? What door? What's making a sound? Gosh, I hate that sound because it sounds like my real door. And my door does that too, randomly. Okay, we're good.